Welcome to the High Plains. I'm Silas, and today I'm going to show you how we forge a legend out of cornmeal and fire. This is the ultimate ranch cornbread.
It starts with stone-ground grain. None of that store-bought dust. You want something with enough heart to stand up to the fire.
The iron has to be screaming. If it ain't singing when the butter hits, you're just making bread. You ain't making ranch cornbread. Now we let the embers do the talking. Slow and steady, just like the life out here. Listen to that. That's the sound of a perfect crust. That's the sound of the iron sealing in the soul of the meal. There she is. Mahogany and gold. Hard-earned and heat-forged. A little sweetness for the struggle. And a bit of salt for the earth. Best enjoyed while it's still hot enough to burn your fingers, looking at a view that reminds you why you're here. Dig in.